Well done, guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is unboxing. So I'm unboxing some goodies that I would receive from Cool Runnings. So thank you very much, Cool Runnings. This box is sponsored by Cool Runnings, and this video is also sponsored by Cool Runnings. So today we're gonna unbox, and I'm gonna unbox it right here on camera so you guys can see all the goodies and all the seasonings that I use in my dishes that I create. All 70 something videos, I use Cool Runnings in most of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. Woo! I love these. I love to unbox things. I love. So here, first thing I have here is chili flakes. You guys know I love my chili. You guys know I love my chili pepper, and this can help me to make my chili sauce. So thank you, Cool Runnings. Thank you. Here we have some curry powder. Guys, you can go ahead and check them out. They're on IG, so go over there and follow them on IG. They also have a website, and I will be putting the link in my description box so you can check them out. So here we have some browning. This is the gravy browning, and they have many more stuff like marinated sauce, all different kind of stuff, spices, peppers. Yeah, their website is cool. So here we have some seasoning salt, as you can see, and we have some garlic powder. You guys know I love to use my garlic powder. And here we have some jerk seasoning. So now this is the first time I'm gonna be using the Cool Runnings jerk seasoning, but I know if I love the Cajun and the allspice and the other ones that much, I know I will enjoy this one. So thank you, Cool Runnings, for sending me the jerk seasoning. And here we have the all-purpose, my all-time favorite. This is the first product I use for Cool Runnings, and I can tell you guys, you will not be disappointed. It gives you the authentic taste. You know, most of us are not in Jamaica, so you're looking for something to give you back that taste that you have back home. So if you're looking for that taste and you want that taste, visit Cool Runnings website and get some of these spices in your kitchen, and your meal will be perfect. So here we have the Cajun seasoning. And guys, if you could remember in my previous videos, I always said if you don't have this in your kitchen, go ahead and grab it. So guys, go ahead and get yourself some Cajun seasoning. And last but not least, I have some chicken seasoning here. Yes, I love to use this one in my chicken. So guys, yes, these are all the goodies that I received from Cool Runnings, and here I have a letter from them that I will read to you guys, you know. And in the letter it said, "Dear pals, we hope you are doing well and staying safe during this time. We noticed that you use some of our Cool Runnings product and seems to be running a bit low. So we want to send you some more along with some of our other products that we think you will like. You should find our seasoning salt, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, Cajun seasoning, gravy browning, garlic powder, curry powder, and chili flakes enclosed. Keep up the good work. We hope you enjoy our products with your family and friends. Best regards, the Cool Running team." So guys, please go ahead, check out Cool Runnings website, go over to IG, follow them, and show them some love from the Pals World, Pals Island Kitchen. Guys, we love you, we appreciate you, and thank you so much, Cool Runnings, for this generous gift. And I promise I will eventually, because now I started to pick up more stuff from your brand, and I love your syrup because I use it to do my smoothies. And thank you from my team, Pals Island Kitchen / Pals World, to your team, Cool Runnings Foods. Thank you. Thank you so much, and God's richest blessings. And remember to live good, love God, and Pal, appreciate everything that you have done for me. And I will never forget it. So today's video is sponsored by Cool Runnings Foods. Bye.